I've been looking around for a really good, affordable smart plug, and I finally found one. These ones are made by Kasa, and they do the job perfectly. They can be connected to Echo, Alexa, and Google Home. It has an easy-to-use manual switch on the end. The label on the back says it's good for up to 15 amps. The pins to plug it in are well built and rugged. The one thing I really like about it is that you can stack two of them together in one receptacle. Now just go to the App Store and download Kasa Smart. After that, they're really easy to set up. The app is intuitive and very easy to navigate. The cool thing about these is that they retain their memory. You can use them for your Christmas lights. You can then unplug it and put it away till next season. When you take it out a year later and plug it in, it still has the memory to turn the lights off and on. You can set it for something to come on as long as you want, or right down to as little as 1 minute. It has the sunrise and sunset option, schedule any off and on time in any day of the week. It keeps stats on any of the runtime for anything that's plugged into it, and you can control any device from anywhere at any time, and has other features that I haven't even mentioned. So if you're looking for a really easy to use smart plug that's loaded with features, this is the one for